square root. So square root. So it is a number when multiplied by itself results in another number. So let's look at that. So 3 squared is equal to 9. Well, the square root of 9 is 3. So 3 times itself, which is 3 times 3, is equal to 9. So if we're looking to go ahead and find the square root of, say, like 9, all you're looking for is a number which be multiplied by itself to equal that number. So let's look at some examples. So example 1, find the square root of 25. So you can see below we have 5 columns and 5 rows, right? So that equals 25 little boxes all together, right? So this whole area here is 25. So notice that on this side we have 5 columns and then we have 5 rows, essentially, right? Or we have 5 boxes one way and 5 boxes going the other direction. So if we look at that, if we're looking for the square root of 25, right, notice that if we go 5 times 5, that would equal 25. So you can visually see, right, this and just visually how there's 25, and if we go 5 times 5, that equals 25. So the square root of 25 is then 5. That would be our solution. But let's get our calculator. So if you see this, so if we go 25, see this little sign right here? It kind of looks like a part of a division symbol right here, right? And we take the square root, say, of 25, and we get the answer, which is 5. So we can use our calculators for this, but it's just another way to see this, right? And all we're doing is we're taking the square root of 25. So that looks like this, right? Like another way to see it. And that would equal 5. So that's another way. So a lot of times, or you can see it kind of like, it's like a halfway kind of over the 25 like that, which would also indicate the square root of that, which would be 5. So let's go ahead and look at the next example. So example 2, we're going to find the square root of 81. So what times itself is equal to 81? Well, maybe remember multiplying different numbers, and you might remember, or if not, let's get our calculators out. We'll put in 81, take the square root, and we get 9. So 9 times itself, which would be 9 times 9, is equal to 81. And let's look at the next example. So find the square root of 484. So this is a little bit larger number, so we take 484, we take the square root, which would be 22.